Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, after receiving fire alarm at Capitol Hill. The New York deputy Jamaal Bowman jumped the defense Democrats trying stop vote open panic door. Claimed that he had acted open door. I think if you really see some of photos of signs, I think there is something say. Government has a voting clock to close. It was closed from outlets that are normally open in this building. Bron Bronx and Queens said when talking CNN's union status. The host Jake Tapper said, "That's why he pulled the fire alarm." Asked, Ocasio-Cortez insisted that Bowman apologized for incident on camera and cooperating with authorities' investigation of leftist deputy squad member. Later targeted Republicans demanded the deportation of Bowman to be deported as an honest mistake, and GOP detonated his colleagues because they did not force guilty. George Santos did not push it anymore. They protect someone lies. American people lie. House of Representatives of United States who lie. Congress researchers, but they offer a movement. Expel. A member tries escape in panic. A 3 AOC insisted that Bowman's actions were caused by the panic moment on Sunday. He made a statement at night. Apologized. He added, Bowman claimed Democrats had usually attracted alarm pinch because thought that would open door, which claimed to have lock and claim had confusing signs. I was in a hurry to vote. I was trying to pass through a door. I didn't want to cause confusion. I didn't know that you would visit the whole building. 3 New York Democrat George Santos for same when they did not do same for deportation of Republicans detonated. Republicans. Bowman said that he had come together with the sergeant with arms and Capitol Police, and explained, "The story in my hope is that nobody can do more than that." However, show that Bowman's alarm is clearly marked with word, fire VE and is located next to 2 signs that provide clear details about how to open emergency door in Cannon House office building. Only emergency output. Signs are red. Former Representative Justin Amash He wrote, "This is not confusing at all. They know." 3 Bowman apologized since then and has been cooperating with an investigation into the incident. "I don't even think it has anything to do with a fire alarm on the wall," said Amash. AOC also said that on Sunday. Absolutely. Home Speaker Kevin McCarthy plans to support a movement to overthrow. I certainly don't think that we will expect to see it unless there is a real speech between the Republican and Democratic meetings. Orum I don't think we will vote for free.